Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit fantasy filter using Lightroom Mobile. There are some examples photo before and after using this fantasy filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Exposure minus 1.8. Contrast plus 14. Highlights minus 93. Shadows minus 43. Whites 12. Blacks 19. Go to curve. Follow this settings. And done. And go to color. Temp plus 80. Tint minus 60. Vibrance plus 76. Saturation plus 45. Go to color mix. First go to red, hue 0. Saturation minus 4. Luminance plus 12. Next go to orange. Hue minus 2. Saturation minus 20. Luminance 10. Go to yellow. Hue 0. Saturation minus 55. Luminance plus 11. Go to green. Hue plus 72. Saturation minus 80. Luminance 60. Go sky blue. Hue plus 12. Saturation minus 35. Luminance plus 60. Go to blue. Hue plus 4. Saturation minus 2. Luminance plus 55. Go to purple. Hue plus 24. Saturation 0. Luminance plus 58. Go to pink. Hue minus 2. Saturation +4. Luminance +62. And done. Next, go to Effects. Bring the clarity 14. Vintage -26. Midpoint +10. Feather +88. Roundness +31. Go to Split Tone and bring the hue to +233 and saturation +29 for highlights. Bring the hue to +261 and saturation +75 for shadows. Balance +76. And done. Now go to Details. Sharpening +60. Radius +1.2. Detail +24. Masking +5. Noise reduction +20. Color noise reduction +18. Detail +14. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and test. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time, have a great day.